Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high ping and packet loss in Deadlock. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is open a browser, and then you just need to write fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go, and if you don't, maybe limit some devices, restart your router, and if there is a possibility, always use Ethernet or LAN cable, right? So then the next step what you need to do here is to right click on Deadlock, properties, installed files, browse, right? On this window here, you need to copy the path, and then you can go to the game, bin, win64, and then you should find a exe file, right? And after you copy the basically Deadlock folder, as you can see here, what you need to do here is to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to, as you can see here, manage settings, then exclusions, select yes. And we need to wait for a couple of seconds, add an exclusion folder. Then you just need to paste the path and then select folder, right? First thing here. Then go to on search virus and Windows Defender Firewall. On Windows Defender Firewall, you need to select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Press change settings, then allow another app, browse. On this window, also paste the path, then go to game, bin, win64, and then you should see project 8 exe. Select that, hit OK. If you're getting this window, this means it's already added, so you don't need to worry about it. Then also for high performance, I suggest you to go to graphic settings, go to browse, then here go to Deadlock, game, win64, project 8, then options, and select a high performance, right, for your game. And the next step what you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt as admin. Then you just need to write here ipconfig //DNS. And then you just need to write niche winsock reset. After that, restart your computer, look if the problem persists. Then what you need to do here is to open up settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, then advanced network settings, and then reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again, and if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And the next step, what I suggest to do here is to change DNS server addresses if you're getting packet loss. So you just need to go to advanced network settings, find your internet connection, expand it, go to more adapter options, select double click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then on the select this option, use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8. And on alternate DNS server, you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, and yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.